We're outside of the school where your mom went, Phyllis Taylor, when she went to kindergarten. They've really made it a lot prettier now. But my question isn't about this school, but about that noise. Listen carefully after the motorcycle is gone. Do you hear that noise? What could it be? I think it's something in this tree. I'm going to shake the tree and see if it changes. No change here. So what do you think it could be? May, help me out here. Wait for the motorcycle to go by. We'll try and get a little closer here. What is that noise? Well, let's look at the sign here. What does it say? Bienvenidos. How do you pronounce that word? You better ask your mom. Yep, this is where your mom went to kindergarten, or wanted to. I think she got to go here. Jardín de Niños. And that racket keeps going. Oh, I think I know what it is. I think it's some birds. Yep, it's a bunch of little birds making that racket. You see them like fluttering around. They go by really quickly. Oh, here comes some more. Boom. Yep, I think they're all getting together to sleep in this tree before sunset, which is only about a half hour away. Little birds. You barely see them. There's one right there. Look. Look. I got it. These aren't like the pretty little bird. These are little gray birds. That's about it.